say.
I think that community service is important to me and all of us because it betters our community as a whole. Just to bring back to our community is such a great feeling, and just creating this good environment for everyone in our community is just really nice to see everyone enjoy what we do.
So for today's job, we're at the library and we're using chalk to make obstacle courses for the kids to do when they come to visit. So as you can see, we have lots of different activities for them to do, and they're all made out of chalk.
Today we are spreading mulch for the dogs and planting flowers.
Community service is important to me because I'm giving back to the community that's given so much to me.
Today we're out here spreading mulch and cleaning up the park.
Putting in at work. You know, getting dirty.
Yeah, y'all see me out here, you know, spreading this mulch.
But guess what though? If you ain't getting dirty when you're working, you're not working hard enough. I mean, look. You see it?
Get out of the way.
Go Flucos.
Like really close. What are you doing at today's job site?
We're raking leaves and planting pots to make the school board office look nicer and prettier.
I really love spending time with my friends and making a difference in the community and just having fun doing it.
Today we are actually raking leaves. She has like a little problem when it comes to inclines, and because how her backyard is, it's like in an incline, and that's been mostly it.
What did you like about today?
I liked getting out of school and helping a lady clean her yard.
And I'm gonna say the same thing, and her cute little dog.
Community service is important to help the community come together and help ones out that are in need.
Why is community service important to you?
It's important to us because the community has done so much for us as we've grown up, so it just feels good to be able to give back.
Hey!
Hey!
What are you guys doing in your job today?
Spreading mulch.
And raking!
Shuffling.
Making the yard look pretty.
We're a film crew, but helping.
We're not a film crew, but we're Eagle Scouts, so that means we have a duty to help.
Go Boy Scouts.
For some reason. Why did we decide to go through with Eagle Scout?
Because we like to give that. Yeah!
One, two, three.
Hands on!